Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to build a Twitter following. So let's get into it. First of all, sign up on Social Booster. Enter your email and create a password. Click Register. Click the profile icon at the top right corner. Click Transactions and look for Twitter. And click Followers. Now let's order some Twitter followers here. To do this, you need to choose a package. Choose how many followers you want to get. And enter your Twitter username. Click Order. As you can see, we got 1,000 followers in just 5 minutes. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.